In this video, we're spotlighting a truly dazzling, clean and simple mesh knit that famous fashion designer Brunello Cuccinelli is using in his designs for this spring. The photo of this unique top was taken from the designer's website, and there he literally called the model Dazzling Rustic Net Knit Top in Linen and Silk. At the base of the knitting is a path of one long knit loop and two plain ones. The scheme consists of 2 loops and 3 rows. The first 3 rows begin from the wrong side, while the next 3 rows begin from the right side. I will show you both options in a total of 6 rows as separate subsequent layers of knitting. It is easy and quick to knit. In the sample, the number of loops is a multiple of 2 plus 1 for symmetry and 2 edge loop. The row begins and ends with a knit loop. To begin with, we knit several rows of elastic knit one by one. Row 1 is on the wrong side. The repeat pattern is purl 2 stitches together, and make 1 yarn over loop. Purl 2 stitches together, and make 1 yarn over loop. The row finishes with a yarn over loop and purl 1. Row 2 is on the right side. The repeat pattern is knit 1 loop, drop the yarn over loop, and make 1 yarn over loop. Knit 1 loop, drop the yarn over loop, and make 1 yarn over loop. The row finishes with a yarn over and knit 1. Row 3 is on the wrong side. The repeat pattern is purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1. Row 4 is on the right side. The repeat pattern is knit 2 together with a slope to the left, and make 1 yarn over loop. Knit 2 together with a slope to the left, and make 1 yarn over loop. The row finishes with a yarn over and knit 1. Row 5 is on the wrong side. The repeat pattern is purl 1, drop the yarn over loop, and make 1 yarn over loop. Purl 1, drop the yarn over loop, and make 1 yarn over loop. Row 6 is on the right side. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. This knitting pattern's attractive design and simple texture make it ideal for spring and summer. It will add luxury to any garment knitted with it. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. If you enjoy the video, please click the like button. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.